Grace Bag Lady. It's Thursday morning. We're still on sick duty. My hubby don't feel very well either. I give up. My hubby was up in the night not feeling very well, so I've literally had no sleep. So it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I've not done my hair yet, but obviously I've not had to go anywhere, so I've not been on school run, so I need to do my hair. We have got to go shop. We've got no milk left. It's raining. It's pouring with rain outside, so we'll see what the day brings. But good morning, it is. That's my hair all done. So I've got like a little bun thing going off. It's better than it was. Look at my jumper. My jumper is so pretty. It's a H&M one and it looks like tinsel. It's so pretty. And look at my nails. Oh, I got this last week. Was it last week? The week before? No, last week I think. And it's a Barry M one I think. And it is so sparkly. Look at it. It's cool. I'll have to show you the bottom when I go downstairs, but it's so pretty. I love it. Another day. Another load of washing. So I'm trying to wash James's bed this time. So I did Ruby's bed yesterday and done James's bed today, and I did do my bed on Monday. So by the end of the week we'll all have clean sheets. I've had another Christmas card and it sounds like something in it, so we'll open it and we'll have a look what's in it. It sounds a bit glittery, doesn't it, or a bit sequiny. Right, let's have a look. I can't get it out. I'm making right pig's ear with this, aren't I? Come on. Here it is, and it's full of little Santas, little Christmas trees, and can you see all this? The envelope is full. It says, to dearest Jane, Lee, Ruby and James, have a fabulous Christmas, love from Jeanette. Oh, thanks sweetie, that's really lovely. Thanks for all my little twinkly bits, they're really cool. They're all over my worktop. They're brilliant, thank you very much. Right, Ruby's just opened her advent calendar again this morning. So these are all the little figures that she's had so far in her advent calendar. So if you know Harry Potter, you'll know a lot of them are from, is it the Mystical Ball or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so you've got sort of twins, more twins.
There's two of twins.
They're so good. They're not very big, as you can see by my hand. They're
They're
tiny, but we love them. They're so cool. It's not time for your advent yet, my dear. You have your advent later. Yes, not now, later. They've all come, look. We do advents in the afternoon for you two. It's your treat later. No, we're not doing them now. No. Later. Not now. No. Later. This is my nail varnish, which I've already chipped on that corner. But it's Crystal Rocks by Barry M. It's a very cool colour. More advent fun. I didn't realise I hadn't opened yesterday's on my calendar. So yesterday I got an eyeliner, which I've only just opened. Yeah. And then we got another lipstick. I have literally got millions of lippies. It's going to be a good year for lipstick. Here's my lippy. Make sure it don't go on my teeth. It looks a nice red. It's 20 to 12. So for dinner today, me and Ruby are going to have one of these. So what I do, I make them, as I've said before, I make them about half an hour before you would actually want to eat them, because when you first make them, they're really, really hot. Obviously, the longer you leave them, then the sauce thickens up, the pasta gets fatter, and they're just really nice. So I've made them, but we're not going to have them yet. I can't believe it's got its tail in the water bowl. Oh, we need a wet tail now. Oh, right, there's my dinner. So I've had to have a glass of Ribena because we've run out of milk and I haven't been to the shop yet, so I can't have a coffee. I really need a coffee, but never mind. So there's my dinner. My dinner was nice. Look at the weather. My hubby's here, obviously because he doesn't feel very well either, so him and Ruby are in the room near the fire. I need to go and get some milk and I need to take a parcel to the post office, and look at it. I really don't want to go out. I do. I want to go out and get some fresh air, but I really, really don't want to get wet. Oh dear. So I think we're going to have to brave it. I've made it. I've made it to the car. So now we're going to go to the post office. We're going to go fetch some milk and go to have a rummage in the toy shop. Let's go. I've arrived. Right, my dear. So let's go post this parcel. Go to the toy shop and then get some milk. And then we can go home and have a nice drink. Let's go. The other morning I wasn't quite prepared for it. All right.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yes.
£367
Later on, yeah.
Stepping them off.
Back in the car. Oh, I was having a lovely conversation with the old lady that worked in there. She was talking about Gucci and Chanel, and oh, it was so interesting. I love old people sometimes. They're so lovely and interesting. So anyway, so it's 2 o'clock. I need to go home. Nice cup of coffee. Desperate for a cup of coffee. Let's go. Made it home, and then I realised I need to vote. It's voting today. Very important. So I've got my slip. I'm going to go and vote. Everyone that gets the right to vote should vote. Women fought for this right to vote, so for girl power, I'm going to vote. What's occurring with my hair? That's my lucky curl for my vote. Oh really? Oh dear. Right, let's tuck this in and then let's go and vote. That's it. I voted. Right, let's go in because it's horrible and wet. Oh, finally made it in. Sat on the settee for 5 minutes and then need to carry on tidying up. We forgot to show you Victoria. We did notice the stamp. Look, she put a special Harry Potter stamp on the card that we had yesterday. Look at that, it's amazing, and Ruby loves the stamp and she's going to cut it out and keep it. Can you guess what time of day it is? It's Advent time! Yay! You know, don't you? Your favourite time of the day. I don't know what we're going to do when the Advents run out because she loves them so much. Right, are you ready? You've got, oh, where's Florence? Yeah, there you are, my darling. So you've got 2 of these each today. Ooh, look at these. Don't they look nice? Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, yeah, that's your party trick. Sit down then. Sit. Sit. All right, Florence. Oh, you're already sitting. Sit. Good girl. There you go, my darlings. Oh, enjoy it. That's it. You waggle your tail. It's wonderful, isn't it? You take it over there. That's right. You're supposed to eat with your mouth shut, Winnie. That's rude. Right, you ready for your next one? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready for your next one? Woo! Are you ready? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Right, okay. Right, sit. Sit. Florence, sit. Sit. Where's your paw? Good girl. Oh, you're a superstar. Yeah. Waiting for my tea to cook. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I'm having jacket potato. I love jacket potato so much. So I'm going to have some melted cheese on it and some baked beans and ooh, can't wait. Love it. There's my little tea. So because I'm having a meat-free day, so I've got jacket potato with low-fat cheese and baked beans over the top. So I'll have to enjoy it. Me and Ruby who just sat here and said, what's that on your top? What is it, Ruby?
A bean.
It's a bean. Where have you been? I can't believe I've dropped a bean on me. I didn't even notice, and the fact that it's still there ages after I've eaten my tea. It's like my new bean necklace. Where you been? In case you're wondering, the bean went to a good home. Guess where the bean went? Winnie had the bean. The bean. I put it on the floor and it was gone within seconds. Did you like the bean? Did you enjoy the bean? And guess what I got from the second-hand shop? I got this for my mum. I'm going to give her it for Christmas because her name's Anne. So obviously it's an A. I thought it was so lovely and it's literally just a notebook. It's just so nice. So I got that for my mum to give her it for Christmas. I got some mistletoe. Winnie's down here like this. Want a kiss? Aww, so happy Christmas, my dears. Big kiss to you all, and I hope you're all well. Ooh, I've been nibbling on some of these. I really like them. When I first tried them, I thought they were weird, but the more I've nibbled on them, the more I like them. So, and they make you feel wonderful. Can't recommend the kale enough. And I've got my vitamin drink as well from my lovely friend Gloria, who sent me all these things to get me better when I was poorly. So they really have helped. So I hope I can find some more of this in England. It's brilliant. Final bed of the day made. So it's got some fluffy cushions and a yellow little throw thing. And then it's got a lovely yellow sheepskin rug. So it's really cosy in here. James is very lucky. Right, my dears, final little vlog of the day. Thank you so much for joining me again today. At least we did get out for a little bit of fresh air. And fingers crossed Ruby feels slightly better. I think she does. Woo. So I think she'll be back to school Monday. Yay! Anyway, my dears, so thank you for joining me. If you do enjoy life in England, daily vlogs, handbags, shopping, whatever else we get up to, then please subscribe to my channel and come and find me on Instagram as Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady. So I love you and leave you, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye!